Good morning and welcome back to another BQE video. I've been going for a long time, a really long time, and that's because parts are just getting really expensive, and I ain't giving up. I haven't given up. Bricked the ECU on the brown truck, not the daily driver brown truck, but the brown truck with the LS 6-liter, the Terminator X. Yeah, bricked that. I know how to fix it. I just haven't bought the part to fix it yet. But we got something else today. We are putting the front. I bought him a new toy. We're putting a front lip on the Honda Accord. I already jacked it up and everything because that was a long process, and I'm tired of editing floor jack videos with my headphones on. But I bought this off Facebook Marketplace, and I thought it was a name brand. It's not a name brand. The guy got it off Amazon, and I didn't ask him where he got it from until I paid him the $90 freaking. So I drove all the way to Hampton, burnt, and this probably like a quarter tank of gas. Quarter tank of gas burnt, $90 gone. So we're gonna fit it up nice. I'm gonna use my rivet gun, use the rivet gun to put it on, and have some really nice screws in it instead of zip tying it or self-tapping screws. We're gonna do it right. But before we put this baby on, we're gonna have to wash it. It is dirty. So let's get to a quick time lapse and get this thing all cleaned up. Alright, I really should have thought about how I'm gonna lay on the ground once it's all, because it's all wet. I should have marked my holes on that thing and then washed it and then just put it on, but I didn't. So let's rinse it off since it's already wet and get to drilling. It's hot. Can you see me sweating? Hey. Alright guys, don't know if I'm in the frame or not, but here we have a set of M5 hardware, and in the doily kit, or doily, whatever you pronounce that kit you get from Harbor Freight, it is a rivet gun that puts threads inside any hole. You drill a hole, it puts threads in it. You can use a bolt itself to put it on. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot better way, it's cheaper. But I have M5 hardware I got from Harbor Freight, Track Supply, man. It's the M5. Yeah, M5 by 80 by 20, and I get M5 by 80 by 12, just in case I didn't know how deep I wanted to go. But if you go in here, where's the M5? Where's the M5? Huh. Do I not have any M5? So I did this whole thing with no M5 hardware. Alright, we'll be right back. Jesus Christ. Okay, guys, I'm sweating bad. I just got this shirt yesterday. I didn't think I was be sweating this bad. Okay, so I have my M5 hardware. This is the M5 rev nut that you're gonna insert on this thing. Obviously, this isn't the right. Is it the right thread? Okay, so no, this isn't the right thread for this type of thread. But Jesus, as we all see, it screws right on up in there, just like that. And I bought washers to put on it. So I'm gonna start drilling out where I want the holes at. And let's see here. It looks like I don't have to drill out much, just a little teeny bit. But I'm gonna get to drilling and scoop. Yep, you're gonna watch me. Okay, cut. All right, now I got all the holes drilled out with I think that's 1/4 inch drill bit. Nah, it's a freaking 13/64 drill bit, and it fits perfectly and snug up in there. If you push it down, it it goes down all the way. I only got 4 nuts and bolts. I don't know where I have it. I only got 4 nuts and bolts, but I'm gonna go ahead and drill out all the holes underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and drill out all the holes underneath, so that way when I do get the other 4-pack, I can just go ahead and put it on real quick and not have to worry about it. I wish I had some help to help me test fit it on, but you know how we do here at Backyard Builds, do everything ourselves. All right guys, so just for test fitting purposes, I gotta take this out for our freaking, oh man, it's a little too tight. Oh, there you go. All right, so in order to get it held up by myself, I put some double-sided tape on there. This is some really nice stuff. Like you probably could mount this up there if you done the whole length of it and be perfectly fine. But for test fitting purposes only, we're gonna use that and put it up there. That way we can drill our holes where our rivets go. Let's get to it. So off camera, I didn't put the lip on there right with the double-sided tape on, and I could not get it off. So the double-sided tape stuck to the lip still, so I was able to stick it back up there. Check this out. Oh, wow. But guys, this is all just double-sided tape. If I would have taped this whole thing up nicely, I probably wouldn't have needed, how's it going? Everybody be waving at me, bro. But I probably wouldn't have needed it, because it's up there. Like, as you guys can see. See, check this out, look, listen. I was trying my hardest. So, if you need to do a side skirt, front lip, duck bill, trunk, anything, and you only got one person, double-sided tape. But that stuff is not like ordinary tape. That's really thick. That's really thick tape. But while it was up, everybody waving at me, part 3. But while it was up there, I went ahead and drilled all my holes again underneath. Yup, you see the holes? See the hole? See the hole? Hold on. Yup. You know, I just realized I drilled holes in my Honda Accord. I ain't never done nothing but bolt-ons. But it's alright. Check out my shirt. New shirt I got from Ross, you feel me? Dripping wet. Well, we're gonna go ahead and put the rivets in, and if I didn't make the holes big enough, then we just go a size up. Since we already got the 15, 65, 50, 30 second up in there. And yeah, drink water, guys. All right, guys, the Honda Accord finally has its teeth implants. All right, check it out. So this one, we had to go M6, because for some reason, I guess I wallowed the hole out. But I have a feeling we have to go M6 for all of these. But just, guys, look how nice it is. Like, if you take the time and do it, hold on, let me get in the shot. If you take the time and like, do it the right way, and no self tappers, no zip ties, it just looks a whole lot better, man. Just looks a whole lot better. So car guys, please take, or wannabe car guys, please take the time and do stuff the right way, or at least do something. Just don't half do it. I'm about to put these bolts on, and we got to go get some more bolts, but I'll show you guys the final product. All right, guys, we did it. So, remember when I said do it right first time, don't use zip ties? Well, my M5 hole became an M6 hole really fast, and I don't have any M6 hardware. So I had no choice but to zip tie it. But man, at least I did a way better job than most of the guys that freaking put these lips and kits on. Oh look, it's even labeled for me. I didn't even know that. Right. Let me do it for you. Yeah, that left the chat. So that's going to be an M6 hole one day. Not today, because I really want to see this thing on the ground. While all the other ones, they came out really nice and tight and secure. I know everybody's like, don't drill it into the plastic, don't rivet into the plastic. I do what I want. Okay, I do what I want. But look how good it looks, guys. Holy crap. It like transformed the whole entire look of the car. Let me get this thing on the ground, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So So obviously it's not the lowest thing in the world because I had to raise it up because the low life is cool, but I'm tired of wearing out tires. I'm tired of not being able to go certain places. Scooby's tired of not riding in it because I can't take him to the freaking vet or the dog park. You know what I'm saying? But ain't no need for a dog park. This whole yard is his, bro. But it looks good, guys. I don't mind it. You guys can say I ain't low, okay? And it's okay. I know I'm not low. I'm not as low as I once used to be was. But it transformed the look of the car. I really like it. It looks really good. It looks really good. It's not bad. Oh, bro, did I mess up? I don't think so. Let's go check the other side. Oh. There was no way I could have split the difference. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect fit. It's from freaking Amazon. But it looks good. Let me know if I should paint like the middles of it white or the sides of it white and leave the middle black. Let me know if I should do that. But I think I'm gonna leave it how it is because I really think it goes really well with this right here, and it matches this. This is kind of faded, but it matches this too. But it's hot, guys. I'm gonna call it. I promise you we're gonna get some more S10 content when I get some cash. But until then, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.